The 2009 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, cruise control, aluminum wheels, first, second, and third row carpeted floor mats, AM/FM stereo with CD player, Climate Group 3, includes air conditioning with 3-zone temperature controls, FWD, child safety rear door locks, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, airbags, body color door handles, engine immobilizer, 3-point rear seat belts, tire pressure monitoring system, digital clock, 4-piece floor mat set, leather shift knob. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.